10s, Apocalypse AAK 20K, 90-hour lithium battery.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Ain't nobody do it like I do it. Most of it ain't VIP with two chicks
First time in a while I've sat in a vehicle. You got the driver's side as your demo, passenger. Different vehicle too, man. Whoa. Could you tell me your name and what's in here for the video, man?
Mike Dietrich, Team Still Louder, 6 DB5 10s, Apocalypse AAK 20K, 90-hour lithium battery, all 0 gauge throughout the car, Crossfire mids and highs, and Brand X 270 Ultimate.
270, okay. Very nice.
Does on average 157, 158.
157 58s?
28 hertz.
Really musical then, really low end response.
Very, very musical.
Who built the box?
King Customs.
King Customs, okay. What is your amplifier wired to with all 6 subs on it?
Half ohm.
Half ohm? Okay. Thank you for the demo. Is there a way I can see the back? Does the back open so I can see the port?
Yeah.
Team Still Louder? Okay. Very nice. It's a deep port. What is your box turn to on it?
Roughly 32.
32, but peaks at 27, 28?
Goes with this amp, it goes with a 20K, so it's well at like the 28 hertz.
Okay.
We changed a few things with the 20K, and now it peaks at 36.
36, okay. Got it. Awesome. Thank you very much. What was your name?
Mike.
Michael. Thank you, Michael Jacob. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Quick little commentary before we get to the bass demo. Just want to say thank y'all for watching. Really impressed to see how loud a 10-inch subwoofer. Of course, there's 6 of them, but he got this no wall insanely loud into the high 50s decibel wise on music. And it's a really low-end tuned monster. So as you can see here on the port, he has a really deep depth to that port. That's why the box is so big, to get that optimal output on the low end. And I wasn't expecting these to be 10-inch subwoofers. I actually thought they were 12-inch subwoofers, so that is an extra plus. A little bit less cone area, but a lot of motor force. And the last thing is really beefy amplifier. As y'all can see, a 20,000 watt amplifier. He ran all 6 of these to this amplifier down to half ohm, as he was saying. So anyway, we're about to get in the bass down, but before that, just want to do a question of the day. And that question is, what do you prefer your box tuning to be? This guy had his box tuned to 32 hertz. I personally like a mid 30 hertz range for a ported enclosure. What box tuning frequency do you like? Looking forward to y'all's comments. Now let's get to this loud bass demo, tearing up this vehicle. How you doing?
said if I did a test, we gon' leave it hit the road. I told her, girl, here you go. I teased her on the low, now she freaking me on the floor. She begging me for some more. I hear she ain't need to go. I hear her just like the toe. I ain't saying her to thinking what they did me in the car. She was singing when I don't feel it, shaking it on the floor. Off in that hotel room. Off in that get on the floor. Off in that get on the floor. Off in that get on the floor. Off in that get on the floor.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.